Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this next item to go ahead and tell you all about it, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. This is really cool. Holidays are coming up, Christmas is coming up. Maybe you don't feel like setting up an 8 or 9 foot tree with all the decorations and all the lights and all the needles. No problem. I got you covered with this little mini 2 foot Christmas tree that comes with lights and accessories. I'm going to go ahead and set it up. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Merry Christmas. Directions. Here is the tree itself. It is automatically assembled. All the lights are already on it. All you do is bend the branches down. You kind of fluff it up just like this. It's got a nice little base down here. The base is kind of a nice little stand, and then it also has a little battery pack, and the battery pack is what's going to control the lights, and you've got a whole bunch of different little light settings. I'm going to just kind of bring all the branches down. I want you to see this. This thing is very full. It's a very fluffy tree. It's got a lot of branches. It is not a Charlie Brown tree. You can see how big it is. It's bigger than my head, and yet it's only about 2 feet high. I'm going to keep fluffing, and I'm going to go ahead and put some decorations on. Okay, my tree is all fluffed. I'm going to put 3 AA batteries into the little battery pack here, and I'm going to close the battery pack up. It just sits behind the tree. It's a little box right here. It just sits behind the tree, just like that, and then you can press the button. Ta-da! And you turn it on, and on the box itself, there are actually a bunch of little different types of light configurations there. We have combination, we have waves, sequential, that's where they kind of move around. Slow glow, so they slowly get bright and slowly don't. Let's see here, chasing, flash, slow fade again, kind of a different fade. A twinkle flash, ooh boy, and then a steady on. So there you go. These are all white lights, but they're very bright. I will show you what they look like once the whole thing's decorated. We'll take a look at it in a dark room. It's really pretty amazing. Now let's go ahead and talk decorations. It comes with tons of little decorations. It comes with gold bells. It comes with Christmas, Merry Christmas, kind of a star as well as a little deer. It comes with some pine cones. Look at all this. It comes with tons of little Christmas balls, gold, red, green. That's just beautiful. All kinds of different textures as well. It comes with candy canes, a bunch of little presents, and then we also have little gold bows, and we have little red berries. We have a ton of decoration. I don't know if I can even fit all of this decoration onto this tree, but I'm going to go ahead and decorate it, and I'm going to set it up, and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Okay, there we go. I think that looks pretty good. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like once I set it up over on the corner. And here you go. In just a few minutes, you can see you have a beautiful Christmas display. Beautiful tree with plenty of lights, lots of decorations. It just looks great. Let me show you what it looks like when you turn the lights off. It's really spectacular. Wow, look at that. That's just beautiful. That is Christmas right there in a nutshell. I still have plenty of decorations. I can still go ahead and change the lighting patterns, but I want you to see it really only took me about 15 minutes to completely set this tree up and go ahead and decorate it. I even have little presents down by the bottom there that Santa Claus left for the kids. It just looks really, really beautiful. It's a beautiful little tree. It's a great way to bring the holidays in without making it all that complex or dirty, without a lot of work. It's just very simple to decorate. It's kind of fun. It's a great project to have with little kids if they want to decorate a tree, but you don't want to use needles or you don't want to use real Christmas decorations. You just want to use plastic decorations that look nice. Kids will really enjoy this. They'll love having a tree of their own. It just looks really, really nice. It's a beautiful tree, and it's highly recommended.